There are three domains of life that you already knew, but today we'll explain bacteria and archaea for you. Prokaryotes are the first organisms to live on this earth. Everything evolved for them that lived since their birth. They are super tiny and come in three shapes. Spherical, rod-shaped, and spirals are the usual make. A nuclear region sits inside a bacterial cell. I must say it stores genetic information quite well. Extra bits of DNA called plasmids are in the cell too. Outside of the cell lies the cell wall that you can view.
It's made of peptidoglycan that is super stable. Then there's the capsule and the flagella that's like a long cable. Pili grab antibodies and somewhat help the cell move. Fimbriae and sex pili help cells stick so they can't be removed. There are two types of bacteria, gram-negative and gram-positive. Negative gram stains lightly, but the other is more cooperative. Bacteria reproduce quickly because of binary fission. They have short generation times and there is fast division. Recombination by transformation allows for foreign alteration. Transduction moves genes from cell to cell for a new creation.
Then there's conjugation, where two cells are joined. Genetic material is transferred between them as they are conjoined. In each of our cells, there is the F factor of fertility. It exists as a plasmid or DNA and allows conjugating ability. Archaea are very similar and different in a way. They look like bacteria and in extreme conditions can be found astray. Extremophiles, as we call them, halophiles, and the dermophiles include. But also in moderate environments, they can be endued. Just like bacteria, they have a nuclear region with DNA, but their cell walls have no peptidoglycan, which is something I must convey.
Their membranes have either linkages, branched hydrocarbons, and monolayers. They also reproduce by binary fission so their populations can be greater. Prokaryotes come in many nutritional modes, 4 to be exact. Photoautotrophs use light to make compounds, as a matter of fact. Chemoautotrophs use chemicals, and chemoheterotrophs as well. Photoheterotrophs use light but use carbon inside their cells. Metabolism also varies greatly depending on oxygen. Obligate anaerobes use it, and facultative anaerobes have the option. Then there's obligate aerobes who use it to respire, but all prokaryotes do nitrogen fixation to build an empire.
Prokaryotes are also important in ecological interactions. They're decomposers that break down waste for the Earth's satisfaction. In mutualism, both host and symbiote benefit greatly. Commensalism allows for only one to gain, but the other is in safety. Parasitism eats away at the host and causes harm. Pathogens are these parasites that cause disease and alarm. Last but not least, prokaryotes can be good or bad. They benefit in bioremediation and bioengineering ads. They can also harm through bioterrorism and disease. But overall, prokaryotes are necessary, so no thanks, but yes and please.